Hi everyone, back with another style on myself. So this is going to be a messy bun date night type style. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. So we're going to go from the front and you're going to leave the bits out that you want to leave out. And then I've just done a really rough curl to my hair just at the ends. And I'm just going to go in with some texture spray and just kind of put that all at the root and through the hair. So I've tried this style a few times and the easiest way is almost not to think about it too much. I want it sitting quite high. So you're going to take the first section just around the crown. And I'm just kind of just dragging my fingers through that. We don't want it to look too done. I'm not going to use a brush. So you're just going to drag your fingers through. And then you're just going to make a little loop with that. So you're just going to fold it in and then re-grab it like that. So you just made a loop there. I'm then going to take a section from the sides. Again, just dragging it up and getting that section and pushing it back in and holding it with my hands. I'm going to take another section, grab, push, grab, push. Then another section, grab, push, grab, push, and then I'm going to swap hands. So again, repeating on this side, grab, push, and then this side, again, just kind of smoothing out with the fingers, so push and push. I'm going to take a hair tie, grab the whole of that without sort of letting it get too loose, and just dragging that bobble over like so. And then holding that into place, I'm going to take some long grips and just simply push those in. So wherever my fingers are that are like wedged into that bun is where I'm going in with the grips. And then you can kind of come to the tops and the sides. Hold the bun whenever you tease these out, don't just kind of grab at it. And then you can sort of come round to the back and just see if there's any bits that you kind of want to pull and tease, and also if you want that much down. But honestly, I'm kind of liking that today. But if you don't want as much down, you can just pin that up. Might just lift that up a little bit. So front ways, you can see you've got loads of nice volume. Wherever you do that first scoop and grab is where your bun's going to sit. So if you don't want it as high as mine, just come back a little bit with your hands. I'm going to a little spin for you. So it's kind of just, I love the fact that you don't use a brush. It just keeps that kind of messy look where you haven't really tried too hard. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think.